Kandidat kipat ba nong but jong ka Seng BJP jong ka Mausan Ram constituency bat baro ki bas ngau ije ka neka party hapo ka jela. Halor ka jingmi Seng jong MLA barim jong ka Mausan Ram constituency uba HM Shangpliang minta ka singi kan driu tarik unailur arhajar arpulai. Na kaliang kinong ilam jong ka neka Seng hapo ka jela kila pensyai halor ka jingbom ya sungtu jingmut hapo ka Seng. Habayo baniakren bat uba Arnes Mauri ula ong banadu ka bau HM Shangpliang ulawan ban penisno cha ka Seng kadon ka jing ngau scam ka bakrawi ka Seng ban penyari ka Seng hapo ka jela. Hendrai mudur bau ba HM Shangpliang ino ya ka Seng.
The party has given him the ticket to contest and it is the mandate of the people. They have not elected him as the BJP candidate MLA and the party has given a big responsibility by appointing him as the spokesperson of the party with the consultation with the central leader, and after that also with this burning issue which he has already mentioned here in this letter, that we have given him a responsibility to be a chairman of that committee to give a suggestion to the government related with the this job reservation policy. So when you go through this letter, since it is already circulated to the media, he is blaming us, especially to me as the state president, by writing that there is a nepotism in the party. I think if you go through the dictionary, what I understand, nepotism means I'm favoring my relative, my close friend. But here in the BJP office, there is no Mauri. Only by Arnes Mauri is the president. We don't have Amit Mauri, Jefferson Mauri. No, there is no nepotism at all in the BJP. Instead, if you go back to Mausan Ram, we have appointed the president of Mausan Ram Mandal. It is his brother. Nepotism is there. You know, on his request, we have appointed his brother as the Mandal president. So where is my nepotism? It is not true. We don't have that system of nepotism in the party.